Hi guys, I'm here with an unboxing from Gabriella Plants. Their greenhouses are actually in Florida. So let's open this up so I can show you which plants I got. I already see a little bit of soil coming out. A little bit of soil. From our greenhouse to your house, Gabriella Plants. So, there's a little bit of soil here. Let's see. They have a little card which tells you who selected and treated the plants and who packed and shipped the plants. And it looks like Wesley treated and selected the plants and Veronica packed and shipped it. That's actually pretty cool. So they have this card here, the unboxing guide, carefully unwrap your plants, inspect and isolate your new arrivals, report any issue to us directly via email. And then they have stuff about opening a claim. Okay, so let's open. Okay, so it looks like they wrapped it in this pretty tightly. So let's cut this. Wrapped ones, and then they have like this bag. It's like an insulating bag probably. Oh, let's see what I got here. So let me pull this through. Oh, so the soil is actually getting everywhere in there. Oh, see that? Soil just fell out of the plant. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, a lot of soil actually fell out. You can see in the box. Let's put this down. Okay, so this is the Alocasia Frydek. Oh, looks pretty good. Look how pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. It's velvety. Okay, so they did add this cotton here. But they have rubber bands wrapped around. Ooh, everything's, oh my gosh. That just got everywhere. That's actually kind of messy. That rubber band. Okay. That's actually really messy. I don't know how I feel about the wrapping of this plant. I just got soil all over the place. But the plant did come in good condition, as you can see. My only concern with this plant is I heard they are spider mite magnets, so I'll probably be checking this pretty often. Oh, but it's really pretty, very velvety. But it looks good. I don't see really any damage. There's like just little yellowing tips here. So let's open this one. Actually, oh, more soil everywhere. I don't know if I like this packaging technique. I'm sure it keeps it really insulated, but the soil is getting everywhere. So this one, let me pull it out. Ta-da! Ooh. This is a Syngonium Holly. Ooh, the leaves are kind of crispy. Okay, this hopefully doesn't flick all over me. Okay. I want to reuse these rubber bands. Okay. Oh, it's everywhere. It's gone everywhere. There you go. Okay, so these are the plants. Actually, really, and they're in really, really good condition. Look. This one, the Syngonium, has some crispy edges, but nothing bad. It probably just needs some water. This is the Alocasia Frydek. Very cute, very cute. It's a baby. Check out the leaves. So that's all I have. Oh, actually, the Syngonium. So the Syngonium Holly is $12. Was $12. The Alocasia Frydek was $17.50, and these are 4-inch pots. And the shipping was $10.50, and the total was around $41, $42. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.